रोहन पै धुंगटाची याचिका स्टेट सेंटेन्स रिव्ह्यू बोर्डान मानून घेतली, मात ह्या शिफारशीचो सरकाराक सारको विचार करूंक ना अशें उच्च न्यायालयान म्हळां. गोंय बंदखंड नेम 2006 प्रमाण 2 सप्तकां भितर याचिकेचेर परतून विचार करपाचो निर्देश सरकाराक दिला.
The High Court of Bombay at Goa has set aside a Goa government's decision dated 20th August 2025 rejecting premature release plea of Rohan Pai Dhungat, who is a life convict in the 2006 Mandar Surlakar murder case. The High Court has observed that the government failed to properly consider the recommendations of the Goa State Sentence Review Board. The court directed the government to reconsider the application of Rohan Pai Dhungat for premature release within 2 weeks in accordance with the Goa Prisons Rules 2006, which was applicable at the time of conviction. The High Court further noted that the Sentence Review Board had strongly recommended Dhungat's premature release after considering several factors including his tender age at the time of arrest, his conduct in prison, his response to treatment and training, and the low probability of the crime being repeated. But Goa government rejected Dhungat's application on the opinion of the convicting Children's Court President, which had recommended against his release. Holding the decision of Goa government erroneous and unjustified, the High Court has directed Goa government to reconsider Rohan Dhungat's application for premature release within 2 weeks, giving due weightage to the recommendation of the Sentence Review Board. Rohan Dhungat was one of 4 law college students convicted by the Children's Court in 2014 for the sensational kidnapping and murder of 16 years old DJ Mandar Surlakar in August 2006. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.